Yeah, so let me start today's second session, and let me start first with Dr. Sir, Dr. Vikas Sir. Dr. Vikas Sir, today we are going talking about it because mostly people's, mostly younger, nowadays we can see, they face unemployment problem, okay, and they think about it, they told about also, I think I have a no any opportunity, I have a no like a work, how to myself found job and this type thinking. But means in my personal opinion, I think if people have a good knowledge about English language as well as people have a good communication skills, 100% they never face this type problem. So Dr. Vikas sir, means I requested, please you have any idea about this topic, so please you can share with us. Yes,
yeah,
sir.
thank you, Ravinder sir, giving me the opportunity to speak about the English language and communication. Nowadays, we are seeing that all the department related to the English, we are seeing that we are following all the communication in English. Like I belong to the doctor field, that I need to learn English, and if anyone is who is engineer, he need to learn about the English. So English is the basic language and it is the international language, and we have got lot of professional skill, and we at the end of the whenever we have completed our suppose communication professional skill, we need to explain all the thing in front of people. So we need the English to be explained in a wonderful manner. So in this manner, we need to know about the communication skill. So it's a very useful language, and with the help of learning, listening, and speaking to the bodies, and improving the vocabulary, in this manner we can improve ourselves. So in my opinion, that every one person need to know about the communication skill related to the English. So this is all about from my side. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Vikas sir. And Rishabh, unmute yourself.
Yes,
Yeah, Rishabh,
good evening,
you
sir.
have
Good
any
evening, all of
idea
you.
about today's topic? So please you can share with us.
Okay. Obviously, actually, today new members also joined. Like, ma'am has also joined today. I heard her. Actually, she was very
Hi,
wonderful.
Rishabh.
She was a hi. Absolutely. I saw you. You were just wonderful today. And
Thank you very much.
today I met Dr. Vikas sir also. So I'm glad to know such type of people, such type of personalities. So I think if Rabin sir is saying that how to improve your English, I think we are all well versed how to improve our English. But I would like to focus. I would like to highlight some of the points which I feel that.
Rishabh, today we are going talking about it importance of English language. Okay, because
Yes,
nowadays mostly people they face lots of problem like unemployment, they never found a job and other thing. So I think if people, some students, some younger, they choose right way. They started learning English language 100%. After that, they have a good knowledge about English language, they can speak and they have a good communication skill 100%, they'll get normally work. Okay, because I know Jitendra and
Yes.
means Varna ma'am and Dr. sir, because means all are have a good like a professional, and after that they never stop our learning process. Why? Because they know very well importance of new skills, importance of extra skills like English language and communication skills and the learning process. Okay, so
Absolutely.
yeah.
Okay. So actually today's and can you repeat, sir, what is the today's topic? Actually, there is
Important,
some network issue. So
yeah, importance of English language as well as communication skills.
okay. So I think English language has become so much important in today's digital world because everything is digitalized today. And I think official language, that is English language, which is so much of importance because apart from Hindi, which we speak in India, I think English is the language which we use officially. If we are going somewhere or if we are going for an interview or job, then this is the language which will help us to get a job. This is the language which will impart our impression in front of anyone. For example, today I am here. If I will speak in Hindi, then it will be quite normal. But if I will use some words like some words which are in English, if if I'm communicating in English language, then there is a bigger impact on you, because you think that I am literate, I have a knowledge of English, I have a knowledge of my vocabulary, my pronunciation is good. So I think it has a bigger impact. So first of all, your personality reflects when you speak English. And if you are speaking English in a better way, you are communicating in a better way, I think you are imparting a very good image on in front of others. So I think first of all, your personality reflects when you speak English. Everyone has a different way of communicating. Everyone has a different way of speaking English, right? Because sir,
Yeah.
actually we
Right,
don't
right.
we all are not on the same level. We all are on a different level, and we are improving day by day. But if we are improving continuously with the same goal, then I think we can go to a very far, and we can go to very far away. So English is a language which we have to learn, because in today's world, if you don't know English, I think you are not more than a illiterate people, an illiterate person, because English today in a digitalized world, if you don't know English, then how can you communicate with those officials if you are going on a such a bigger stream? For example, you are in an engineering background, in a medical background, then Vikas sir know it very well that in medical background, most of the books are of English, anatomy, biochemistry, physiology, whatever the books are, right sir? Everything is in English. If you are in Hindi medium, then it's a very big demerit for a student if you are a Hindi medium student, right sir?
Yes, sir.
Because
Yeah. Yeah.
it's a very big it's a very big demerit for a student if he is in a Hindi medium. Then it's very big demerit, and it's a very bad disadvantage to pass even the exams. So I think English has become a so much important language that we have to learn it. For example, some of the students complain in colleges that we are unable to understand physiology or biochemistry or anatomy or gynecology or something because we don't understand English. But it's the criteria. If you don't understand English, you can not learn English. Then how can you pass the exams? How can you get the job for which you are studying? So you have to learn English, because without English you cannot survive in this world. So I think if English is so much of importance that money will come to you if you have the knowledge of English, you have the knowledge of correct pronunciation, you have the knowledge of correct vocabulary. So if it's related to money, because money is power in today's world. Everyone knows that money is power. We all are working today 9 to 5 doing job in medical field, in IT sector, in IIT, in any field, in SF, in police, in army, in any field we are, then we are working just for money. And if something is there which is help in earning more money, then there is nothing better than that. So I think English is much important in today's world, because it's directly related to money, and money is power. So I think you can correlate how much of importance English is. So thank you, sir. Over to you, Rabin, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Rishabh. You also mentioned very good point. And now, Asutosh, unmute yourself. Abhay. Abhay. Abhay, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, on your video. Yeah, Abhay, you also you also explained some point about English language. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, start.
So, my name is Abhipta and I am from Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. So, in this century, the importance of English language can't be ignored. Nowadays, English is a global language because it is speak all over the world. It plays an important role in our daily life, just like when we have to share our views on social media, on internet, we have to use this language. It also plays a major role in education, our jobs, our career, and our passion. All interviews and international interviews are held in this only language. And in sport, we see that the commentary was also done by in this English language. Even if you want to see, even if you want to internet or social medias, we have English language. I have also personal views that English is our mother language.
Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you. And Sadhana ma'am, are you comfortable now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sadhana ma'am.
But sorry, sir. Yes, sir, but I can't turn on video.
Okay, okay.
No.
No issue. You can express.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
According to me, nowadays English is very important. If we know English, then means people they around us, because then many people they don't know English. Then he has a means lot of knowledge apart from English. Then we can't means we don't thinks about them ki he is a literate, but we can see around us ki there are many people they speak in English. Then also we focus ki he has a lot of knowledge because of reason ki he speak English, because it's a new language for us. In our India means many people only they used to speak only Hindi. That's why means we also focus on English. That's there many means student mentioned that nowadays we don't know English, then we can't survive means we can't get a job. Then it's a right. Nowadays, if we know English, if we know in English, then we can get a good job, and we can use of means in a good way. Like there are many people, but they don't have good job, but they have a good command in English. Then they can survive our life in each way. Because if we know English, then we can. There are many platform online. Then we can teach little children. Then we can make a video, then we can upload. So it's a good way if uh, if we know English, then we can communicate to other people. And also nowadays means we are traveling anywhere, then many people we meet, then that time we can also talk to each other. So it is very important nowadays. Without English, I mean, I can't say ki we can't survive our life. Without English also we can survive our life. There is no need to learn, because in India means many people speak only Hindi, but we go to other country. Then that time what will we do? That time other people they can't understand Hindi, because English is a global language. So it's that's why English is a very important for us. And nowadays means I am also a homemaker. So if my children they will grow up, then after that also we need to learn English, because without knowing English I can't teach my son. So I think English is very important nowadays. So means I can.
Yeah, thank you, Sadhana ma'am. You explained very well, and you also mentioned very remarkable point. And now, Khushbu, unmute yourself.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Khushbu, you have any idea? So please, you can share with us.
Okay, sir. In my point of view, English is very beneficial for us nowadays, because in present situation, present time, all people they want to learn English, because it's not a language; it's also a means speaking line. You know, English is a second language. Means second language is in our whole world. Means all people they speak English very loudly and very properly. But if we talk about our generation now, present time, without English, you can't do anything like a job and study and any means many activity. They only depend English language. So English is very important for us. And one more thing, English is why English is the very beneficial, because in present time all works is doing through mobiles and electronic gadgets. So every person means in electronic gadgets and mobile, laptop, computer, all work is done by these electronic gadgets, and so every person they must know about English language, because all work is done in English, not Hindi. And yeah, sometimes it's doing means thinking Hindi language, but it's necessary to English, because all means all government sector they only do this work only English language. So this is a very big reason to learn English. And one more thing is student, because in student, if you talk about the student line, so student line means many students they face this problem while speaking and while communicate to each other. And if we talk about the Hindi medium students, so they obviously they face this problem to speak English. So that is why they learn is English in any coaching center and any through online classes. So now this pandemic situation, many students connect this means connect to online classes, and they learn English language, because English is very beneficial and it's very significant role in our life. That is why English language is very necessary and very important for us. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Krishna, thank you. You also explained very well. And now, Sneha, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Sneha, you have any idea? So please, you also explain.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Give me opportunity. Hello, everyone. My name is Sneha Bagel. Today, I am speaking about my topic. My topic is English. So I am talking about how to improve our English, and English is the very important for us. Without English, we can't survive our life nowadays, because you know what, all people nowadays want to speak English. They don't want to speak Hindi language, because in our India they want to learn English, but they are unable to learn English, because with them nobody want to talk with them in English language, because you know you have an idea about English language, so you can do everything in your life, and you can do good job, and you can survive your life, and you can talk with each other easily, and you have an idea. And like that you firstly you will have to go to other country, like that you have any work from other country, you have an idea about English language, so you can talk with them easily, and you can live there very easily. And you, if you have no idea, so how can you survive your life there, and how can you live there? And because so English is the very important for us. I know English, how to speak English, so I can learn everything and I can understand easily. And like history and science, math also in English language, so we need to English, and we always speak English, and we should not speak Hindi language. And so we have an idea, so we want to earn money, so we can earn money easily through English, and we can open our YouTube channel, and a lot of means so we can earn money, we can open our coaching also, so we can teach it for the students, so we can earn money also, and we can lot of things through English. So English is very important. We have idea about English, so we can teach our children also, and we can get good knowledge them. So English is very important for us, so we always should speak English. We should not speak Hindi language. According to me, without English we can't do any work. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay,
That's all.
yeah, Sneha, really you also explained very well. And only 5 minutes left. Yeah, so Jitendra Bagil.
Sir.
Yeah, Jitendra, and you will take only 2 minutes, okay? Whatever you have a idea, so please you can share with us. After that, I will give a chance for Bhavna ma'am. Okay, start.
Okay, sir. Good evening, all of you. And today we are speaking on the importance of English language. As everyone said that English is a global language, definitely, because it's a global language, and It is spoken by many countries of the world. If you are in Israel, if you are in Turkey, and if you are in African countries, then English is the language by which you can communicate abroad also in the global world era. And the second thing is that if you know the importance of English, then it definitely English will open opportunity for you. Because of English, you will get a lot of opportunity in your career, and you can get the job of a communication trainees. You can get the job of the HR manager, and you can get the you can be a teacher also. So if you know that very good language, then you definitely there is a lot of opportunity for you, and English will make you a hot property. When you know the English very well, then everyone needs you because of your communication skill, because of your gesture, because of your making relationship. You can be a hot property for any organization, and any organization would like to hire you, and you can be a part of the film industry. You can do acting as well, as if you have a good command on your English, and you can do many things through to the English. And another thing is importance of English is that English is a simple language. It means if you want to learn another language like a Hindi and like a will be like a Turkey, so there is a very different kind of words, and there is a different kind of grammar is there. But for English, you have to the basic knowledge like A to Z, and you know the pronunciation of each word very well. And within a few time, you can learn English very easily. And the last one, I would like to say that English is a plain fun. Means whenever you came to know the English, whenever you learn the English, then you definitely will feel the fun, because you can watch the Hollywood movie, you can attend the TV shows, you can attend the many interesting things that are in English, and then you can make the habit after learning the English. Then you can enjoy that all serials like American Idol, Master Chef, and BBC. These kind of things you can get through to the English language. So in the end, I would like to say that love English, learn English, and live English. Thank you.
Okay, okay, Jitan. Thank you. And now, Bhavna ma'am, are you comfortable now?
Yeah. I'm here.
Yeah. Bhavna ma'am.
Thank you, Mr. Yadav. Thank you very much. I would like to mention only few points as a closer. So everyone knows, yeah, it's very important, and yeah, it's a global language because of the transformation, and yeah, it's kind of a language where you're supposed to express your thoughts. And of course, it's very, very important to study anything. I mean, whichever the language or whichever the country it is in, but you can transform that into particularly in English, and you can really learn that whatever the thing that you want to learn from the entire world. So all I mentioned to here that it's very important to understand. It's very important to study anything, because whatever the thing that whatever you want to learn in the entire world, everything is really available in English. And yeah, you can learn it very easily if you know the English. And that's how the English got to be very important. Yeah, communication is also important. While of course, if you want to really communicate from the different country person or a different language person, you can communicate yourself, or you can really express your thoughts through English, and people can easily understand, because it's a global language, and it is the main reason that it got to be a global language. So yeah, I believe it's very important, but you really cannot say that you can't survive without English, because it is also the form of expression your thoughts, which is called English, and English is just a simple language. That's all. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you lots.